What we got on the feet today, you already know. The Yeezys. Running some waves today with these joints. Beautiful sight. You already know. Alright, what's happening, fam? We back with another video. On our way to Irwindale Speedway. Oh, look at that. Wow, man. M5, man, nice. I was actually supposed to be on a cruise right now with DDE and a few other people. I was already confirmed to go to this meet, so can't let the supporters down, you know? We are pulling up right now. Thank God there's not like a huge ass line. I don't want to speak too soon though. Oh wait, never mind. Alright guys, well we're here in the line with everyone else. Decent amount of people already. Damn, good thing we got food early. Look at that line. Sheesh. But we out here, man. It's crowded, packed. Bunch of dope wits. You guys see the vibes. Infinity boys. It's hot, man. Sweaty boys out here. The GTR though. And my boy Joey tried to do a pass, broke the diff. Most of it. And that's why I don't do digs. Never broke a diff, never broke any axles. My car was boosted for like 3 years. So that's why I don't do digs, man. Break less shit.
I'm trying to remember how to do it. And I'm thinking this is a fun. Let's see what it does. Look at that. He wants to get all the power to the thing that he can. He does 100. Seven is what they get out of the supercharged Chargers and Challengers.
Run the front row.
And he's 6.1 liters. That's out of it.
Damn, 40 y tome, Zach. It's hot out in this motherfucker. It's clean right here. Oh. That looks painful. Yeesh. It's a clean one too. Is that a turbo pack?
What do we have coming in here right now?
out to SoCal Bangers over here. Let me be a booth car. Yeah, we out this joint. Oh no! Top of the morning. Boys up today. We are hopping back into this video from the ETR. Man, it gets me every time, bro. Damn, forgot about that. Hope I make it to the station. Well, clearly my ass is on my way to get some gas because I don't got none. If you guys watched the Mustang video, you know I went to go pick up my intercooler for this car. So finally getting that done. And it's funny because today, out of the, I want to say the last month or so, today has been the coolest day. So now the weather is getting cooler. For those days that it is a little bit warmer, it's definitely gonna help out a lot. So yeah, we're gonna be putting that on today. But damn, what's going on? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't know. For a second I thought it was an accident because that car at the light had a big ass dent in his door, but I just realized he's probably just going to work. Pretty much just getting the car prepped for a new rally that is September 16th. It's gonna be wild, man. We're driving all the way up to Yosemite through like Death Valley and then Vegas. That's gonna be fun, man. A lot of people are going. It's gonna be good vibes, good people, dope ass cars. So I'm super excited for that. You guys already know how New Rally does. Shout out my dog Manu. Do Matt. Here it is, guys. HR swap, R35. Kept the original manifold though. Looks pretty good, huh? Damn. My boy got the Nardo gray gloves. Whee! So here is the intercooler. Very nice. Very nice. Obviously 100% better than stock. Guys, when I look at the stock one, what is that? That thing is basura. Unfortunately, the Nismos didn't come with a bigger intercooler, so it comes with the same ones that premiums do have. But yeah, we got this bad boy now, so heat soaking shouldn't be that much of an issue anymore. I mean, obviously on a stupid hot day, it's still gonna heat soak, but this is definitely gonna help. Nice, low life, look at that. Oh, it happens, man. Sad boys. Let's look at this piece of junk here. This thing looks horrible. It's probably all clogged up and shit. And I actually had a boost leak right here. Nice. Don't know how long. Yeah, this thing was sitting on there like halfway. So car should definitely feel a lot better. Very nice bumper. So sick, man. Damn, I want to put this on the Z. There it is. Big alpha boys. Look at the difference, bro. That's just basura. Trash. What is this? Alright guys, it is all done. Intercooler's on. I have a lot of cars at the shop, so I'm gonna do the flexible sensor and the spark plugs another day. But yeah, I'm gonna go test drive it. Make sure I don't have any boost leaks. Should be good. Alright, I'm gonna let the trans warm up. But it looks so much better. Very nice. Very nice. She's due for a nice little cleaning, but yeah, man, should run a lot better. So if you guys don't know what heat soaking is, it's basically just when your IDTs are just too hot. When it's too hot outside, the car is not flowing enough air, therefore it starts pulling timing and you lose power. So like this car is good off 1 or 2 pulls. It's like gonna be at max power pretty much, but yeah, once I do like that 3rd or 4th pull consistently, it just starts dropping power, pulling timing. So that is why you need a intercooler. It's funny because someone was like, oh, using heat soak as an excuse when you have a close race or lose a race, like, it's the lamest excuse. You should just upgrade your cooling system. Well, it's like, bro, I've been trying to. Clearly the intercooler's been on back order for 5-6 months. So yeah. Alright, so I just did a pull. Car feels really strong and solid. I don't think it has any leaks. Seems fine. I'll do another pull for you guys. Car feels amazing right now. Wow. Nah, I did not pull like that in the daytime before, for sure. That's that, guys. Intercooler's on. The car's running a lot better than daytime. Happy I finally got that out of the way. That's been bothering me. Stock ass intercooler. I will have an S15 update for you guys, but I'm gonna make it another video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that we fixed the issue, and I did the startup and rev on my Instagram video, so I'll give you guys the YouTube update a little bit later. I think on Monday I'm gonna install the flex fuel sensor and do the spark plugs, and then from there the car's ready to go. And that is gonna be that for this video, guys. Like always, man, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's get a good look at that intercooler one more time. Sheesh. All right, guys. Catch you in the next video. I'm out.